Hello students, this is Archana Pandey. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine. Beta, in today's class we are going to continue the chapter number 9 in our history classes. Okay, and our chapter number 9 is the traders. Okay, and chapter number 9 is traders, kings and pilgrims. Okay. Chapter 9. Traders, kings and pilgrims. Okay, traders, kings and pilgrims. In previous classes beta we learn about some important points related to our southern India. Okay, we learn about the some famous things in South India, just like gold, spices, precious stones, etc. And we also learn about the three most important kingdoms in southern India. Okay, in 2300 years ago. They are Cholas, Cheras and Pandyas. And now we are going to learn the next point in our in this chapter. Okay, let's start. The chiefs did not collect regular taxes. Okay, the chiefs did not collect regular taxes. Instead, they demanded and received gifts from the people. बेटा we all know at present time हमारी गवर्नमेंट को, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को मनी की अर्निंग कहाँ से होती है? हाउ कैन दे प्रोवाइड अस ऑल द सर्विसेज? बिकॉज ऑफ टैक्सेस. उन्हें टैक्सेस मिलते हैं फ्रॉम द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, सो वो उन टैक्सेस से क्या करते हैं? सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं ऑल द पीपल्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री. So at ancient time, in southern India, the chiefs did not collect regular taxes. At that time, जो chiefs होते थे, जो kings होते थे, वो क्या करते थे? Regular taxes they cannot collect regular taxes. वो tax नहीं लेते थे from the people. Okay, they cannot take taxes from the peoples. Instead, they demands and रिसीव गिफ्ट्स. ओके, वो क्या करते थे? वो डिमांड करते थे गिफ्ट्स का. ओके, दे डिमांड गिफ्ट फ्रॉम द पीपल एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द ट्रेडर्स. They also went on military expedition and collected tribute from neighboring areas. वो मिलिट्री को एक्सपेंडिशन करते थे एंड कलेक्टेड ट्रिब्यूट्स फ्रॉम नेबरिंग एरिया. और जितने भी नेबरिंग एरिया होते थे वहाँ से वो कलेक्ट करते थे ट्रिब्यूट्स फ्रॉम नेबरिंग एरिया. They kept some of the wealth and distribute the rest all amongst their supporters. जितने भी वेल्थ कलेक्ट होते थे उनके पास, ओके, they kept some of the wealth and distribute the rest among their supports. वो क्या करते थे, उनको उन वेल्थ को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते थे जो कि उनको सपोर्ट करते थे. ओके, सपोर्ट्स इंक्लूडिंग मेंबर्स ऑफ देयर फैमिली. और ऑल्सो वो अपनी फैमिली मेंबर्स को उन वेल्थ में से कुछ चीज़ें दान कर देते थे. ओके, so most important point is that the chief the chiefs of South India at 2300 years ago. Okay, the chiefs of South India at 2300 years ago they did not collect regular taxes. Most important point is did not. Okay, the chief of South India at the time at 2300 years ago they did not collect regular taxes. So क्या करते थे, regular taxes को collect नहीं करते थे. So how they earn from the pupils, but in the way of gifts. Okay, they received gifts from the pupil, ओके, क्या करते थे, दे रिसीव गिफ्ट्स. वो क्या करते थे, गिफ्ट्स को रिसीव करते थे फ्रॉम द पीपल. They also went on military expedition and collect tribute from neighboring areas. They kept some of the wealth and distribute. Okay, wait a minute, beta. I hope you are clear about these points. Okay, now I am going to remove this. The chiefs kept some of wealth ओके. तो जो चीफ्स होते थे वो क्या करते थे, वेल्थ का कुछ अमाउंट अपने पास ही रखते थे. एंड द अदर अमाउंट ऑफ द वेल्थ दे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट they distributed the rest among their supporters members of their family members of their families soldiers and also distribute the wealth in pairs. Okay. What the chief did, the chief kept some of wealth. Chiefs क्या करते थे, कुछ wealth के amounts को अपने पास रखते थे and the distribute and the other amount of the wealth they distributed the rest amounts their supporters. क्या करते थे वो, बाकी अमाउंट्स अपने सपोर्टर्स को एंड ऑल्सो देयर फैमिली मेंबर्स एंड जितने भी सोल्जर्स उनके लड़ाई करते थे, अभियानों पर जाते थे उनको, एंड ऑल्सो पोयर्स. ओके, इन सभी में वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देते थे बची हुई मनी को. ओके, सो आई होप नाउ द टॉपिक इज क्लियर यू ऑल. ओके, and now many poets whose composition are found in the Sangam collection composed poem in praise of chief who often rewarded them with precious stones, gold, horse, elephants, chariots and fine clothes. तो एट दैट टाइम के जितने भी पोएट्स होते थे वो क्या करते थे, अपने चीफ्स की बहुत तारीफ में, ओके, चीफ्स की तारीफ में दे राइट द पोएम्स. ओके, वो क्या करते थे, पोएम्स को लिखते थे इन संगम साहित्य. ओके, एंड जिससे कि वहाँ के किंग्स जो होते थे बहुत खुश होते थे एंड जब वो खुश हो जाते थे तो वो क्या करते थे, चीफ्स often rewarded them. Chiefs reward करते थे उन poets को with precious stones. Okay, precious stones को दे करके, goals को दे करके, horses को देते थे and elephants, chariots means बेटा होता है रथ. Okay, रथ and fine clothes और बहुत सारे अच्छे कपड़े, ये सब वो chiefs दान करते थे उन poets को. Okay, so I hope you all clear about these points. Okay, around 200 years later, 200 साल बाद, dynasty known as the Satvahana become powerful in Western India. कौन सी डायनेस्टी फेमस हुई? द डायनेस्टी known as the Satvahana. ओके, सातवाहना $2,500. Okay, years ago. So around 200 years later, a dynasty known as the Satvahana became powerful in Western India. So Satvahana dynasty famous हुई किस part में? Not in southern part, in western part. Okay, The Satvahana becomes powerful in Western India. Satvahana dynasty is famous in which area? In Western India. Okay, you can see beta the map number 7, page number 105. Page number 105, you can see the dynasty of Satvahana.
Students, in this map we can see the all area which is covered by the Satvahana dynasty. Beta see clearly.
Okay, the most important ruler of the Satvahanas was Gautami Putra Shri Satkarni. So Satvahana dynasty में the most important king कौन था? Yes, the most important king is Gautami Putra Shri Satkarni. Okay. These are the important points in Satvahana dynasty. Okay. So the most important ruler of the Satvahana dynasty is Gautami Putra. Gautami Putra Shri Satkarni. Okay, Gautami Putra Shri Satkarni. He is the most important ruler of the dynasty Satvahana. Okay, we know about him from an inscription composed on behalf of his mother. हम सभी इस रूलर के बारे में जानते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ वन इंस्क्रिप्शन, एक इंस्क्रिप्शन के द्वारा, एंड जिसको कंपोज किया था composed by his mother. Okay, composed by his mother, and the mother of Gautami Putra Shri Satkarni is Gautami Balashri. Okay, Gautami Balashri is the mother of the ruler Gautami Putra Satkarni. ओके, ये एक ऐसी डायनेस्टी थी जिस डायनेस्टी में किसी भी किंग के नाम के पहले बिफोर हिज और हर नेम किसका नाम होता था? उसकी मदर का. ओके, सो गौतमी पुत्र नाम है श्री सातकर्णी का बिकॉज ऑफ हर मदर्स नेम इज गौतमी Balashri. Okay, so that's why the name of that ruler is Gautamiputra Shri Satkarni. Okay, and this is the most important thing in this dynasty. Okay, Gautami Balshri, he and other Satavahanas rules were known as lords of the Dakshinapath. Okay, all the rulers known as the lord of the Dakshinapath, literally the route leading to the south, which was also used as a name for the entire southern region. He sent his army to the eastern, western and southern coast. Okay, so गौतमी पुत्र शातकर्णी ने क्या किया था? इंडिया के ईस्टर्न पार्ट में, ओके, ईस्टर्न पार्ट एंड वेस्टर्न पार्ट एंड ऑल्सो इन साउदर्न पार्ट्स. ओके, in eastern part, western part and also southern parts. Okay, गौतमी पुत्र शातकर्णी ने अपनी सेनाओं को इन सारे पार्ट्स में भेजा था. ओके, he sent his army to the eastern, western and southern coast. Okay, so I hope beta now you all clear about the dynasty of Satavahanas. Okay, now today our topic is completed. Okay, in next classes we will continue the chapter number 9. Okay, with other topics. So thank you class.